So this is my whole wiring device for wiring up supers. Yeah, wire holder for wiring up frames. This is a little stopper to kind of act as a brake. This is the axle. There's nothing remarkable about this, although I'm going to put the wire in so it's underfeeding from the bottom. Just a box that fits this. And I had to countersink these a little bit just because my bolt wasn't big enough. And then I just drilled some holes to come through here. So there's my wire feeder. So this frame is going to butt up against this knob here, and then this is going to act to tighten it. This goes in here. This just pulls down here. This, and there it is, held tight. That's it. So this piece is really the so if I start with this, this is a CD. I just traced a CD, and then the center, and just kind of found the center, and then I bisected it with these lines. These are, I did an X and then did that in half, etc. And then I discovered that if you take the right angle of this line, it comes to here, then the right angle of this line to here, and the right angle of this line to here, you end up with this nautilus looking curve. And that's what I used on this board. So this sits on here like this. So I cut it out along with the handle, as you can see here. Cut this handle and then cut this out. And then I needed, you can see here this is thinner, and that was done so that when it was being used, that these, maybe a little lower here, these eyelets were not blocked by the board. If the board had been full thickness, you can see that it would have blocked. And so that's why this has been relieved away here, so that the clamp comes in below, so there's room to get to those eyelets. And then on the back side, I created this handle shape so that it'd be easier to get a hold of and wouldn't be clear down to the bottom. It worked out that the This this board is about 42 inches long. It's just a scrap. I had to adjust the where this box sat on the board to make it all work because I didn't have a longer board of this thickness. I wanted to also be able to do deeps on here, which is why this board is as wide as it is. I owe this design in a way to, I think it's called Volcano Island Honey in Hawaii. I saw a video on YouTube of them using something very similar to this. So that's it.